Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing a distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.